So once we want to work with robot arm, we need to turn this on and have internet, and this internet should be connected to the laptop that we are going to deal with the robot arm. Then we need to open the Chrome and go to the Dorna lab and refresh it. Once it is written here, it's connected, it means it's ready and it's good to go. But before everything, we need to set the robot arm to the zero position that we call it home position. This is the shape that it should be,
Enormous amounts of
not
time
the other way around.
and having
It should be exactly like this, and then we need to save it. So for that, we're going to the set joint and set all. Once it is set all, you gotta see the image of the robot arm exactly similar to what we are seeing there. Then we can command it to make sure that everything is good. So for that robot arm, from this position, so for that, I'm keeping the robot arm here and recording the robot arm, first position, and then the other position is here. So I'm again going to record the new position, and then it's ready to turn it on. Once the motor is on, I'm going to work with the codes. Here, the previous code should be deleted. And I have two positions. I'm gonna give some acceleration, jerk, and velocity to say with what speed it should go. And then I can even turn on the track line to see which code lines is running by Dorna 2, and I can even turn on the replay. It can go back and forth. I gave a very small amount for velocity because if I made a mistake, I don't want to hit something with robot arm. Then I can play it. So this is the first line that it is going to run. It goes to the first position. Then after that, it's going to go to the second position. But as long as I'm seeing it is going correctly, so I can change the velocity to see it quickly. Just a second. Halt. And I can go here, and instead of that, I can get 100, 200, 500. These are velocity, acceleration, and jerk. So what is the difference between velocity? So the velocity is meter per second, and acceleration is the rate of changes for velocity, and jerk is the rate of changes for the acceleration. So we can smoothly move the robot arm and measure the spectrometer. Once we are done, we can click on a spectrometer and turn it off, and then halt the robot arm. But we gotta make sure once we want to turn off the robot arm, we gotta take it and then turn off the motor. Otherwise, it's gonna be loose and damage the robot arm.